Shia LaBeouf, you might know him from Transformers or even Stevens, had a bit of a rough patch with the law. Never thought that smart-mouthed kid would end up on the wrong side of the law, right? But life happens. Let's blow some steam off this guy's rap sheet and see what's what. Starting from way back 2005, Shia got arrested at his Los Angeles neighborhood for threatening his neighbor by deliberately driving into his car. What's worse, he swung a knife. Yes, a real dang knife at his neighbor. Dude, couldn't you just have a discussion? 2 years later, he got charged for not showing up in court to address a past unlawful smoking issue. Mate, you gotta remember your court dates. Then, in 2008, he got tickets for unlawful smoking, again, and drunk driving. While DUI is sadly quite common in Hollywood circles, it's not something to brush off easily. In February 2011, there was an incident in a sports bar in Sherman Oaks involving Shia and another guy. Shia got a punch in the face and ended up being handcuffed, but was later released without charges. Brawling in bars, a dicey move celebrities make now and then. Just 2 years later, Shia had some more bar trouble. This time in London, England. He got into an argument with a man who supposedly took his baseball cap. Yes, you read that right. All of that over a hat. Can't imagine what'll happen if someone borrows his favorite jacket. Next, 2014. Shia gets nicked for criminal trespassing and some other charges at Studio 54 during a performance of Cabaret. Fellas, it wasn't a fantastic rave party gone wrong. Our boy decided to disrupt a Broadway show. You can't make this stuff up. A year later, he ran into some issues in Texas for public intoxication. The police booked him after he showed up drunk in public, causing a bit of a ruckus. Public intoxication, boy, that's a rookie mistake. We've all been there. 2016 didn't start off any better for Shia. He got nabbed for jaywalking and running in front of cars in New York. Guess he was getting his impressions of running wild a bit too literal, huh? In 2017, Shia got in a bit of a heated argument and fight with a man outside the Museum of the Moving Image in New York. This didn't end well, and he ended up getting arrested for assault. Fast forward to September 2020, in an unprecedented move, Shia got charged for battery and petty theft. Not over a hat this time, but after a man accused him of stealing his hat and driving off in his car. Deja vu, anyone? Last but not least, the guy got sued by FKA Twigs, his ex, for sexual battery, assault, and infliction of emotional distress. Legal matters aside, this one really painted him differently to a lot of people. So, what's the verdict here? It seems like Shia's got some stuff to work through. When he's on his game, he's a pretty freaking good actor. But with this kind of rap sheet, it's keeping him from reaching his full potential. Here's to hoping he sorts himself out and starts making headlines for the right reasons.